If you want to record audio on your Windows 10 system and you want to edit your recorded audio, then you can use Audacity software. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Audacity on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. To install Audacity, first of all, we have to download the Audacity installer file. For that, open your browser and search for Audacity. Audacity is free and open source audio editing software for Windows and other operating systems. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install on Windows 10. Now to download, simply open audacityteam.org. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. Here, simply click on download option and simply select your operating system. Let me select Windows. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 28 MB. So let me complete the download process. If your download doesn't start automatically, then you can simply click on this download link, or you can try other download options. So our download has been completed. Now to install the software, simply click on this arrow icon and open the software. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply select your language, then click on OK. So this is the setup window. Here simply click on next. Here we have some license agreement. Simply click on next. And this is the default location where Audacity is going to install. If you want to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button. But I will suggest you to keep it default, then click on next. And here we have some additional option. If you want to create desktop shortcut, then you can check the option, then click on next. And this is the installation setup. Simply click on install. Here you can see it is installing. So wait until the installation process complete. Our installation has been successfully completed. Here simply click on next. Now if you want to launch Audacity, then simply check this box and click on finish. So this is the interface of Audacity software. Let me show you how you can record audio using Audacity. For that, first of all, you have to set up your microphone input and output. Here from the drop down menu, select your microphone, and here you can select a channel, mono, stereo, and here simply select your output device. And here we have some basic recording setup: pause, play, stop, backward and forward, and record option. And here we have other selection tools, audio labels, and more. Now to record, simply click on this record button and it will start recording your audio. After you had completed recording your audio, then you can simply use this software to edit your audio. Now to stop this recording, simply click on this stop button and your recording will be stopped. Now let me show you how you can remove background noise and how you can edit audio using Audacity. Here we have some background noise. Now you want to remove this background noise, then simply click on this effect option, and here you will find one option called noise reduction. Simply click on noise reduction, and here you can adjust your noise reduction, sensitivity, frequency, and simply click on gate profile. Now select all your files, then click on effects, and here click on repeat noise reduction. It will remove your background noise, as you can see here. Now if you want to cut some portion of your audio, then simply select that portion, and here you will find one cut option. Simply click on this cut option, or if you want to delete this empty space, simply select that space, then click on cut. Now if you want to normalize this audio, then click on fix, then go to limiter. Here simply select hard limiter or soft limiter and adjust all the levels and take preview, then click on OK. Similarly, you can also use hard limiter. For that, click on limiter, then click on hard limiter, adjust the value, take in preview, then click on OK. Now to normalize the audio, simply select the entire audio, then click on effects, and here you will find normalize option. Simply click on normalize, and here you can change the value, take a preview, then click on OK. This way you can do your basic audio editing using Audacity. If you want to learn some advanced feature, then you can check the official tutorial of Audacity. So this way you can download and install Audacity on Windows 10 to record audio and edit audio. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.